baby. Raw, that's RJ on the track.
So we're here with the F-Body. He lowered the front yesterday, so he asked me to help him with the back today. So we did that. That's what we were doing. All you have to do is unbolt the 2 struts on both sides and put the car on jack stands and just lower the diff and take the tires off and just pull the springs out and then just do everything all back. So, and we're gonna go ahead and do the oil change, spark plug. So we're gonna see how long that's gonna take me with this much space. It looks pretty crowded in there, so we'll see how it goes. We put everything back in the headphones. Tires were on the floor and the whole body of the car was like up here.
No way.
It was like a monster truck.
That's how the car was with the fronts. But once we put it on the floor, that's when it looked decent.
And we were like, what the fuck? And then once that fool moved it, he went back and that's just all the way down.
Oh, yeah? Like, hydraulics. Front springs are on. We're doing the rear right now. Spark plugs, oil change. And she should almost be ready. I think that'll be it. 30-minute job. We just dropped the diff. Really loud. Oh shit, my friend.
These shit didn't come with rubbers?
Nah. Oh, that's it. Fucking spark plugs, we're going to leave at 10 p.m. Putting the wheel back on. Here's a spring on the other side. This one's going to come off. We're going to take off the spring, easy access. It's better to take the wheel off, my boy Lian said. Just for you won't go down there and have a fight with the spring, trying to take it on the bottom. That's my cushion.
Your bushing?
My bushing. For when it hits the diff, it hits that.
Damn.
Put a pillow right there.
Dreams. We're going to go 30 pounds with our torque wrench. Our snap-on torque wrench right here. Beep. Beep.
All right, as you guys can see, the wheel's going back on. Springs installed. Springs installed. You might take 3 hours, but here at Boosted Garage, we take 20 minutes.
Hopefully then lift.
Look at them apples. Yeah. You ready? What you think, eh?
Just gotta let it settle now. It looks like his nose not even a little bit still.
2 fingers don't fit. Moment of truth, guys. We've been waiting for this moment. Thank you. Wow.
20s.
Some 20s, huh? What are those, 20s? Perfecto. I'm gonna pose it, fool. All right, guys.
That's industrial tape right there.
Perfect fitment. Car is now lowered. Dropped it. It said 1.8 inch all around. Looks pretty good. Okay, spark plugs. Drain plug. R1 racing oil. 10W30. K&M Performance. Make sure your oil is flowing properly and quick to the engine. Yeah. Stay tuned. Coming right up. Oh, stupid up.
aftermarket oil filter on it, high performance. Put my Pennzoil up in there, synthetic, and then I dropped in 1/3 of jet fuel in my tank. I was scooting.
All right, guys. We're right here on the driver's side of the engine. Spark plugs are out. They were pretty cooked. Who's tripping?
You know, this color is these are hard to get.
Yeah, huh?
The cream.
I don't think they make them like that on whites. I think on the whites it's just black interior.
They make them on the green ones.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it was green, huh? Spark plugs and oil change done. This is the last time I ever do spark plugs on F-Body. This side right here, fucking horrible. This side was cool, except the first one being a pain in the butt. So here it is.